Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to connect Outlook to Slack. First, log into your Slack account. Once you're in, we need to add the application we want to connect, in this case, Outlook. On the left-hand side, find the panel and click on the More option. Then select Apps. In the search bar, type Outlook and hit Enter. You'll see a few options such as Outlook Calendar and send emails to Slack. For this tutorial, let's connect the Outlook Calendar, which allows you to sync your status, respond to invites, and view your schedule. Click Add, then select Add to Slack. You'll be prompted to connect your account. Click Allow, and on the next page, sign in with your Outlook credentials. Enter your email, click Next, and then type your password. Click Sign In. Once sign in, you'll see a permissions page. Take a moment to review the permissions, then click Accept at the bottom right. Now the connection process will begin. You might see a prompt to use Breakfree for password management. Click Get It Now if you're interested, or No Thanks to skip. Slack will now redirect you to Outlook Calendar. Wait for it to load and then head back to your Slack account. You should now see Outlook Calendar integrated with Slack. You may be asked to enable automatic status updates, which will sync your Slack status with your calendar events like meetings or out-of-office times. Choose Turn On or No Thanks depending on your preference. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.